Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and freeing immediate resources. Backup photos and contacts now, then close or force stop background apps to relieve CPU and RAM. Once done, clear app caches for the heaviest offenders to remove transient files that slow I/O. Make sure to uninstall apps you no longer use. They consume storage and often run background processes. This first sweep delivers instant responsiveness and sets up cleaner conditions for the deeper fixes you'll apply next. You now address system-level causes. Update the operating system and apps to patch performance bugs and improve memory handling. Updates often fix known slowdowns. Then disable background refresh and limit autosync for non-critical apps to stop them from waking the device excessively. Check storage. If free space is below 10–15%, performance dips. Delete large unused media or move it to cloud or SD to improve read/write speed. Once these changes are in place, your phone should feel significantly faster and more stable. You finish with targeted diagnostics and a reset if needed. Reboot the phone to clear residual processes. If lag persists, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app causes the slowdown. When safe mode restores speed, uninstall recent or heavy apps one at a time to find the culprit. If nothing helps, consider a factory reset after backing up, because software corruption can cause chronic lag. Troubleshooting tip. If slowness continues after reset, check battery health or get authorized service for possible hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.